What's up, guys? Just came back from the gym. As you can see, I've got a sneaker for you waiting for me as I was working out at the gym. As you know, it's a Jordan 1. As you can see, it's a gold toe Jordan 1. And I'm going to open these up for you. The first thing you notice when you open the box, you take a sniff and you sniff that Jordan 1. You can sniff that Jordan 1 out. I feel like anyone that has any experience with Jordan 1s, they'll tell you for sure that you can tell exactly what sneaker is inside. Or you can tell a Jordan 1 from all other sneakers, in my opinion. This is the gold toe. It's called the gold toe because around this toe box area here where your toes are, it's gold. This weekend, the bread toes come out. It's got the bread colorway around the toe box. I think that's pretty cool. This is a size 12 here. Probably not going to keep these. Not going to be able to keep these. I won't be lacing them up because I'm sure there's hundreds of videos out there of this shoe laced up and on foot. But I just want to show you guys, I got them in hand. Lucky enough to get them in hand. I'll be honest, this isn't my pair, but I just wanted to show you the sneaker and tell you my thoughts on it. All this is patent leather. What some people may not know is the white portion of the shoe is also patent leather, as you can see. I'm gonna put that in focus right there. It's pretty shiny because right here it looks like normal leather, but when you get the reflection on it, you can see that it's patent leather. All in all, this sneaker's pretty fly. I do really like it. I must admit, I like the inside of the shoe a lot better than the outside just because it's black and gold and there's no white part here to get dirty. But I'm sure the gold portion of the shoe will also get dirty and it won't last very long. But I could be wrong about that. There's a lot of protectors and stuff you can buy for these shoes these days to keep them clean and fresh. So I'm going to pull out the other shoe here. Oh wow, right as I pulled it out, I could get that deep smell of Jordan 1. It's quite disgusting and scary, to be honest. God knows what chemicals are involved. This is the sneaker. Both the sneakers in one shot. As you can see, it's pretty fly. I'm going to bring it up close, show you the shoe in detail. As you can see, there's a nice aired out bread or toe box. A lot of beautiful stuff going on. That's the Air Jordan sign, the Wings logo. If anyone wants to do a legit check out there, they can use this footage, I'm sure. If they don't have a stain right here where my finger is, that means it's probably fake. I'm just kidding. That's probably just a small defect. Show you the other side of the shoe. If you paid a lot of attention to this video, you can find a lot of things that you might not find on fakes. The bottom is conventional. It's a Jordan 1 bottom. Let's get the whole bottom in shot. What I love about the Jordan 1 bottom, I've said this before many times, is that it makes a lot of noise. And that's the shoe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.